I'm Caleb with Moon's Woodshop, and today we're going to make this really cool and stupid fancy entryway table. I know it's smaller than a traditional entryway table, but it's meant to be right by the front door, so as people walk in, it's right here. And if you saw the video for this valet tray, that's where it is meant to live, so as guests come in, they can put their keys or whatever in there. And it's got this like ridiculous fancy purple heart drawer. Let's check it out. Y'all remember that desktop Zen garden I made? Well, if you don't, there should be a card for it, like right up there. But I used that marble wood for it, and I've still got a pretty decent length of board left. So I'm gonna cut that in half as best as I can. That was damn close. Remember, always put a secret message on there. Y'all, that's what it's all about. One board front and back, the other board are the sides. I'm gonna cut pieces for my legs. Alright y'all, I got a problem. This is the size of the legs that I cut out. I was able to get 3 of those pieces, and this was the cut off piece on the board. So I would need to take my other piece of cherry and cut a piece off of that just to get one more leg. I think I like the way this one little skinny, spindly leg looks. You know what, now that I'm thinking about this project, it's gonna look like exactly like that bedroom stand that I did. So now I'm gonna have to go back to the table saw and cut these 3 boards the same size as this. To spend like all my time sipping tea and drilling like a million pocket holes. Actually, I ain't gotta drill that many. I gotta drill like 16. Because I was feeling generous today, I spared y'all my sanding session. What do y'all think about Conway Twitch? I've switched to assembly on my table saw because I find that surface is going to be much more flat than my workbench. I'm just going to go ahead and attach what I have now to the tabletop. And I'm not using glue attaching this to the tabletop because of like wood movement and stuff. This is the side that's coming out. It's almost even with this chamfer. Use the drawer front, draw that to the spot it should be in. There you have it. I've cut these little strips that I'm going to put in here to be used as drawer runners. Slats, which I've cut and sanded already. That took forever, man. I'm just gonna glue those on. I really like this method of making like a shelf or something because it doesn't use a whole lot of material and it looks pretty nice. We ain't using clamps for this because it'll be fine. Got something in mind for making the drawer. I don't have it, so we should go to eBay real quick. There it is right there. Buy it now. Just wait for that to ship and we can make the drawer. Look, y'all, that wood I ordered showed up in seconds. So I've got purple heart here. gonna be butt jointed, which isn't very strong joinery, but I think once that frame is glued on to the bottom, it'll give it a lot more strength. I got the drawer in place and I added some glue to it and just put the drawer front on here. You go way back on my channel, you might realize that this is like almost an identical design to that bedroom stand I did. That wasn't intentional. What are you gonna do? But I think it looks great. The cherry, the marble wood, and the purple heart. I think it's a great combination, and I think the black Limba ballet tray looks pretty good on there too. If you liked and enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up because that helps the algorithm. And you might want to subscribe to this channel too because I have brand new woodworking projects like this every single Friday, every Wednesday. Me and my brother Adam do a follow-up on those projects, and those are hilarious. So you should probably check them out, and if you don't, then shame will forever be upon you. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.